Hi students, we are going to add some pictures today, but I chose which ones I want you to pick. They're very distinct as to which ones I want you to pick today. So you're going to go to your Publisher project and open. I want you to go to the section that had landscape and portrait, which is right over here. We're going to be putting a picture of the landscape and portrait icon there, so make sure you have enough room to put it. You might want to click in the text box and make it a little bit bigger. Okay? So make sure you have enough room there. We're going to be putting in an icon. Once you have that ready, you are going to minimize. The next thing you're going to do is go to that folder that I put on your desktop. It says 6th grade Publisher. Double click on it. You can see all of the parts that we have ready so far. You're going to double click on the landscape and portrait icon that I put in there for you. You can see the picture of landscape and portrait to tell you the difference. Portrait's up and down and landscape is side to side. I want you to right click on this, and this is what will come up. You're going to open with Paint. Okay, so now we can crop this. We can cut out what we want to use. The first thing we need to do is tell the computer that we're selecting everything. So go ahead and click Select All. And now you notice that we can crop. So we're going to click Crop, and then we're going to go over here and we are going to, just like you draw a text box, you're going to draw around where we're going to crop. And you want to have it so that you can read the word portrait and that you also have the picture there. So once you have that, you're going to go right back up to where it says crop and you're going to click it. And now all we have is what we've cropped out of. We're going to select this whole image. So go ahead and hit Control A and now Control C, because that copies it. Okay, bring Publisher back up. And right there by landscape, we're going to put Control V because that pastes. And you can see there's the portrait. Okay? So I kind of screwed up and said landscape when I meant portrait, and portrait when I meant landscape. But we're going to put it right there. So now we need to go back and do the same exact thing with landscape. So bring Paint back up. It's right down here. It has the little paintbrush. Okay. We're going to click Undo right there. Control Z or Undo. And that brings everything back up. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to select all. Right there. Select all. And now we can crop. We're going to outline that landscape box just like we just did with portrait. Go back up, click, crop. Select the whole thing by Control A. Now we press Control C. Now we bring up Publisher right here. Put it next to landscape, space. Now we click Control V to paste. Okay, mine put it down here and yours might too. When you have that little black crisscross, you can move it quite easily. And there, I'm going to put it right there. Awesome. So I have landscape, portrait. That'll show anybody looking at my brochure that I know which way's which. I'm going to click the blue floppy disk for save. You can go ahead, bring Paint back up, close out. You're not saving anything. Don't save the paint. The other thing you're going to bring up is the Windows Photo Viewer. You can go ahead and close out of this. Awesome. So now make sure you save before you close. Nice job.